Thank you for coming back to Polka Dot Mailbox, and if you're new, welcome. Today I am unboxing for you an order from Beebeecraft. They reached out to me and asked if I was interested in collaborating with them again, and I absolutely adore their products, so of course I was excited to pick out some stuff from their site. So let me show you what I chose, and then I will do some tutorials as well in future videos with all of the products that they have sent to me. One of the things I've been loving lately is definitely doing planners and having all kinds of different fun planner stickers and everything. And I don't know like how I got so many of these You're a Smart Cookie sets. I remember ordering like these punny stickers, but I didn't know that it was going to come with this many. That's amazing. Anyways, You're one smart cookie. Talk about awesome. Perfect job. You're the zest. Bravocado. These are great. You're so grape. No, you're so grape. Mangoed good job. Mango good job. Mangoed, I don't know. That one's a bit of a stretch. I get it. Mangoed job. You snailed it. This is perfect for Happy Mail. You're super. All you need is love. That's awesome. Very good. Squeeze the day. Totally terrific. You're a peach. Fantastic. You're a big cheese. Let us celebrate. Well done. Thumbs up. You mean a latte to me. Cool. Perfect. Unbelievable effort. You bake me crazy. Cherrific performance. Rooting for you. Hot dog. Great work. Take it easy. Adorable. Cherry smart. Nothing's popsicle. Except it's an ice cream. Orange you a smartie. I appreciate you. I like your catitude. Simply amazing. Well done. Ice job. Hello there. Perfect. Totally fabulous. Do not give up. Roarsome work. You're one in a melon. Utterly fantastic. Do not give up. Pizza be with you. Unbelievable work. You're perfect. You goat this. Super work. Well, that's great. So I do remember getting the punny stickers. I didn't know that they came with this many, and I almost wonder if that was an error, if I was like sent a whole package, but I was only supposed to be sent one package. I suspect that might be the case. I actually have some guys that are out working today in front of our house. They're redoing the sidewalks and they're trimming the trees, and it would be cute. I just bought them these donuts because it's raining out there and they're working in the unfavorable conditions. So I thought, well, it might be nice to like bring them some donuts. I wonder if any of these, I bought them actually these really cool baked, they're called Sally Ann's, like a dark chocolate ganache. They look really good. I wish there was one here that was like, you're doing a good job with a donut, sort of, like the donut give up doesn't make sense. So I found 2 stickers that went well on the little boxes of chocolates. So one says unbelievable work and totally terrific. I decided not to try to make it food focused because it wouldn't really match. It says like you're a peach, or like this would have been good. I appreciate you, but it's not a peach, it's a chocolate thing. So I thought if we just do these punny little characters, then it would be a cuter little way to put the stickers on there. I will leave links down below so that you can see what the sets are, because it's nice to see them all laid out and go through them all, because they don't have all of the details on the site. But these are super cute. Look at these little animal stickers. So mostly dogs. The first one was the bird. Okay, so we've got an iguana. Oh my gosh, little hamster. Okay, these are really, really cute. Look at that bunny. Oh, so great. That is just beautiful. What is that cat got on it? Toast or bread. A little rain jacket. I could have used this for my dog today. We just came back from a walk in the rain, and it wasn't really raining enough to be rainy. Actually, I know a person who has a dog like that. It was just sort of drizzling in the air, just a general mist. But, so not really a great thing for an umbrella. I don't know if anybody else is the same, but we have not had the best weather here this summer. So we live in Northern Ontario, and it's been kind of, yeah, like there's not been a string of hot days, which I'm not mad about, but there's definitely, it was a really long winter and then not a hot summer. So it's kind of felt like, I can't believe fall is around the corner. I can't believe they're already advertising Halloween stores. It's feeling like summer hasn't really got here yet. That's just my perspective, but anyways, these are really, really cute stickers. I just think they're adorable. There's a closer up with that cat one. It's sort of a funny one. Okay, these I'm really excited for. Oh my goodness. I saw these, like they're like washi stickers. Just love the look of these, because I love kind of like pastel colors for one. I love the cute little packages they come in. But these are just, oh my gosh, open them this way. These are just packaged so pretty, but they're also, it's the type of paper. It's like they're a washi sticker. They're like, these are cute, but they're just like a white, regular sort of sticky paper. Where these ones here are these unbelievably cute, like see-through vellum kind of sticker. Oh, they're so neat. Do you want to see what one looks like actually on a paper? Oh, you can't even really see super well, but once you put them actually on the paper, I bet you can see better what they are. There you go. So this is what it looks like actually on paper, because when you just look at it on my hand, it's not as easy to tell sort of what it looks like, but once you actually remove the backing and stick it, it will really have a nice frosted effect. Those are so nice. The little milk cartons with a straw. These are great. I love these. What are those little bags? Candy. Perfume. A little donut. Yeah, these are really neat. I like these a lot. Those are beautiful. I'm gonna have fun with those. So they come in all these different colors. So you've got the yellow, like lemony kind, then the blue, and then the peach. So yeah, I'll open these up in a different video and go through them all. When I'm actually going to show you how I use my current planner, I'll create a video and I'll open up some of these other ones. I like to pick monochromatic themes, so I love that these are all separated by colors, because that's how I do my planning. This is also, speaking of planners, you know when you have a planner that you need to keep it open. And I'll pull out one of my planners and I'll show you what I'm talking about. I got these clips thinking it might be good for that, or it might be good to clip things up. Okay, so you get several packages in this box. I like that they give you this organizer for them. I'll use the black ones. Holding it open while you work is handy to have clips. Oh, I see. They are clipped like this. Oh, okay, interesting. I didn't need to take two out. So let's try clipping down. They're going to be big enough for this? Yeah. That is going to work perfect. I don't even really need one on this side actually, but in future I might need one on both sides. Like that. So that was the idea that I had for my clip order here, and I would have loved if these came in pastel colors, because those are my favorite colors to work with. While I have you here, I'll actually show you the different planner sort of spreads that I made for these different notebooks in my traveler's notebook. And these are basically just covers, and they've got pockets so that you can put things in there. And I had a lot of fun creating these with this die cut set. You just see, so this one is like a calendar planner, and then this one was lined, and this one was, I think, blank. And the first one is also blank. But, yeah. Last but not least, something that I saved to the end because I'm really excited about these. My daughter's been loving making bracelets lately, and I just actually wanted to order some more of this sort of stretchy kind of elastic for the bracelets. But this set of beads actually came with this. And then look at these. Wow, this is so beautiful. I love the iridescence. Like, these are my favorite colors right here, yellows and pinks and iridescence, and it even comes with all these different, wow, charms and spacers. Those are really nice. This is like a beautiful set. Gorgeous little pink beads. I love these little candies that have the pink in the center. Oh my gosh, what are these, like bunnies? Wow, these are so cute. Oh wow, they're in pink, blue, purple, and yellow. So that's the only ones that have multicolors. Everything else is all just pink, like a nice blush pink. Yeah, there you go. You can just see how iridescent they are. Look at all those really pretty. Like, I love that. That's going to make a beautiful bracelet. So like a whole kit, everything you need right here. You just string it all together and make it the right length for your wrist and tie it up. And that's an instant bracelet. It's beautiful. So that is everything from Beebeecraft. They really do have such an amazing selection of like stickers, planners, jewelry finding things, clips. Like, they've got such an amazing selection. Die cuts. I've gotten wonderful things over the years. I'll leave playlist at the end of the video here for you so that you can see some of the other stuff that I've received and created with Beebeecraft. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.